Hello everyone. The information I'm going to share comes directly from technicians who work every day repairing appliances at this well-known shop. So don't worry, we're going to fix this. The first thing to know is that when 5F appears, the cooktop is indicating a fault in the temperature sensor or the electronic control module. From experience, customers often say things like, "I was cooking and suddenly 5F appeared on the display and I couldn't use anything," or "I restarted it several times and the error kept coming back." This confirms that the system detected a serious issue and locked the cooktop to prevent overheating. At the same time, before the error appears, many customers notice that the cooking zone heats unevenly, beeps strangely, or even turns off by itself. One customer told us, "It was heating weirdly, and then 5F appeared. I thought it was the burner, but it was the electronics." This indicates that the sensor was probably not sending the correct signal to the control board, and the electronics decided to shut down for safety. From a technical standpoint, this code is usually related to the temperature sensor or the control module. One of our shop's technicians said, "If the sensor detects that the temperature is too high or sends data out of range, the board cuts everything off to prevent risks." Electrolux also confirms this in their service bulletins and recommends checking the sensors and module connections when this error occurs. Meanwhile, we've also seen simpler cases. Many times, customers bring in their cooktop, and we find loose wires or poorly seated connectors causing incorrect readings. This makes the board think there's a temperature fault when it's actually just a loose connection. Checking and securing these connections usually solves the problem quickly without needing to replace parts. On the other hand, in some units, the problem is a damaged temperature sensor. In the shop, we've seen sensors burn out due to power surges or moisture, and replacing them fixes everything. One customer said, "I thought the cooktop was broken, but they replaced the sensor and it worked like new." This shows that you often don't need to replace the entire control board, just the failing component. Additionally, following Electrolux manuals and service bulletins, we always recommend starting with a full cooktop reset by disconnecting power for a few minutes. If the error disappears, great. If it comes back, we check the sensors, control module, and all electrical connections, making sure there are no loose wires or moisture that could interfere with temperature readings.